In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Mailchimp username. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to get everything set up with your new username. First off, grab your computer or your device and let's open up your web browser. Type in mailchimp.com in the address bar and hit enter. You'll want to log into your account, so go ahead and enter your credentials to get started. Once you've successfully logged in, take a moment to look around. In the top right corner of the screen, you should see your profile icon. Give it a little click. This will open up a drop-down menu. Among the options you see there, you'll want to select Account and Billing. It's usually one of the first options, so it should be easy to find. After you've clicked on Account and Billing, you'll be transferred to the Account Management page. Here, there's a lot of helpful information at your fingertips, but we're going to focus on the settings. At the top of the page, look for the Settings tab. It's a straightforward click and you'll see a new set of options populate beneath it. From here, you want to select Details. This area contains all the important specifications about your account, including your current username. When you're on the Details page, look for the field labeled Account Name. This is where we'll make the change. Click into that field and you'll be able to type in your new desired username. Remember to choose something that represents you or your brand well, because this name might be how your audience recognizes you. Once you've entered your new username and you're happy with your choice, it's time to make it official. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the Save button. Click on it, and just like that, your changes will be applied across the entire platform. Now, I recommend checking back to this section after you save, just to ensure that the new username appears correctly. It's always a good practice to double-check, so you see your updates reflecting properly. And that's it! You've successfully changed your Mailchimp username. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Remember, keeping your account details updated helps maintain a professional appearance and keeps your audience connected with your brand effectively. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Engagement is key to our community, and I'm always here to help answer your queries. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. I've got plenty more tips and tricks coming your way,